Hey, this is Jason. I want to make this video share with you guys with the truck F-150, okay? 2007 Ford F-150. The reason the customer is towing, I checked the coke, no check engine light on, no nothing. I checked fuel pressure, everything looked good. Sub is, and I checked the coil, no spark, okay? So the reason is I found out is okay. The reason I found out, I checked scan, no coke. The reason I found out is all the coil, no spark. So I go check the fuel. So the fuel number 33, okay, on this side, 33 going out. So the coil, I checked double coil. The coil, this one is going out. Coil number 5. So this is the front of the engine right here, okay? So number 5 going out, and number 2 is going out, the coil going out. So when I found out the fuel is burned on the passenger side, okay? We're gonna go on that side, okay? Oh yeah, the fuel is going burn out, okay? In here, so the fuel box right here. So if you found out all the coil is not spark, so the fuse number. Oh yeah, fuse number 33, okay? 33 right here, okay? 33, the fuse number 15, okay? In here, up there, okay? So the fuse is burning out. So I replace the fuse and start the engine. The engine's work, okay? And then I double check again why you had to find why is the fuse number 33 if the coil fuse burning out. The reason is, this is the reason right here, okay? Let's go out of the car and I'll show you. Okay, let's go. The fuse, the reason is that fuse burning out because number 5, okay? Number 5 right here. So this is number 5 right here. Double check, okay? Number 5 had to be something ground, okay? So that's the reason make the fuse burning out, your coil, okay? So I found out, I tearing off, okay? I tearing off, yeah, number 5 coil, okay? I tearing off the wire, then I found out, look at this, a little bit, you see guys? You see that? So little bit is ground, so it's ground to this thing right here, to the chassis right here, okay? The fine right here. So most of like common on the F-150 2007 Ford 50. If you guys found out that reason, this is the reason right here, okay? That's why I make the fuel burning out. Know what the reason is? That's ground to coil number 5, okay? So anyway, in this car is found a problem and then found the 2 coil going out, number 5 and number 2 going out. So we're gonna replace the coil number 5, okay, and number 2, okay? So number 2 do nothing, they just going out, but number 5, that's the problem, mostly common, okay? So this is the video I share with you guys. So hope you guys have, if you guys have this the same option like this, go check number 5 in the field, in the box, passenger side, number 33 burning out, and usually it had to be ground, okay? So thank you for watching and sharing the video, and then I hope you guys enjoy the video, okay? Thank you.